Looking for ultimate comfort food that's easy on your wallet and your time? This hearty sausage and bean casserole is a classic for a reason. It's simple, satisfying, and perfect for a cozy dinner without any fuss. This casserole is a true workhorse. It stretches affordable ingredients like sausages and beans into a filling meal. It's a one-pot wonder that feeds a crowd and tastes even better the next day. Sausages bring incredible flavor with minimal effort. Beans add protein, fiber, and create a rich, creamy sauce. Together, they make a complete, delicious supper. You likely have most of the equipment already. A heavy oven-safe pot like a Dutch oven is key. You'll also need basic kitchen tools like a knife, cutting board, and measuring cups. This recipe is designed for simplicity. No fancy gadgets required, just reliable kitchen basics. Expect about 20 minutes of prep time. The cooking takes around an hour, mostly hands-off in the oven. Total time is roughly 1 hour, 15 minutes. This recipe makes 6 generous servings. It's perfect for family dinner or having leftovers ready to go. You'll need uncooked pork sausages and canned white beans as the stars. Onion, carrot, and celery build a flavorful base. Diced tomatoes and chicken stock create the sauce. Worcestershire sauce, smoked paprika, thyme, and a bay leaf add depth. A little salt and pepper finish it off. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. This gets it ready while you start on the stovetop. Having the oven hot ensures even cooking. Use a heavy pot directly on the stove. This is where all the magic begins before it goes into the oven. Start by browning the sausages in the pot over medium heat. Cook them until golden on most sides, then set them aside. Don't worry about cooking them through yet. If using bacon, cook it next until crisp. Remove the bacon and pour off most of the fat, leaving just a tablespoon. This fat adds flavor for the vegetables. Add diced onion, carrot, and celery to the pot. Cook them until they soften, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom. This step is crucial for a rich sauce. Stir in minced garlic and cook for just 30 seconds until fragrant. Then add your dried spices, paprika, thyme, salt, and pepper. Cook for another 30 seconds to bloom their flavors. Now add the drained beans, canned tomatoes, Worcestershire sauce, bay leaf, and chicken stock. Stir everything together well. This forms the base of your casserole. Return the browned sausages and crumbled bacon to the pot. Make sure they are tucked down into the liquid. Cover the pot with its lid. Place it in the preheated oven. Bake for about 45 minutes. The casserole will bubble gently as it bakes. The sausages will finish cooking, and the sauce will thicken beautifully. Carefully remove the pot from the oven using mitts. Take out and discard the bay leaf. Taste the sauce and add more salt or pepper if needed. Ladle the hot casserole into bowls. Garnish with fresh chopped parsley for a touch of freshness. Crusty bread is highly recommended for soaking up the sauce. Feel free to swap white beans for cannellini or navy beans. You can use chicken or turkey sausages for a lighter option. Add extra veggies like bell pepper or zucchini. Dried rosemary or oregano work well instead of thyme. A splash of dark beer can replace some stock for deeper flavor. This casserole is fantastic for meal prep. It keeps well in the fridge for 3 to 4 days, with flavors deepening overnight. Reheat gently on the stove or in the microwave. It also freezes beautifully for up to 3 months. Thaw in the fridge before reheating. It's perfect for busy weeknights. Enjoy this casserole in many ways. Serve it over baked potatoes or piled high on toast. Pair it with a simple green salad to balance the richness. For brunch, top a bowl with a fried egg. It's versatile comfort food for any time of day. Ready for simple, delicious comfort? This sausage and bean casserole is your answer. It's easy to make, incredibly filling, and budget-friendly. Gather your ingredients, follow these straightforward steps, and enjoy a truly satisfying meal. Make a batch tonight and save the leftovers for later.